And this is the project status for now. We have some pages. I can show you here. This is the main thing we have made. It's a simple HTML and CSS. This is a conversation page and this is the home page. Sorry, it took long for reacting, but that's all we had made. And the conversations in home. Now we are going to add the friends, community, profile, projects, and logout. Logout we will add later, but for now we'll add friends, community, profile, and projects. Okay, so let's start it. I'm just going to go and let's go in the pages. We have to create a new file named friends.jsx. Save it, and we have to create another file, friends.css. Control S. Now first of all we have to get it something like in the conversation. What do we have? Control Alt Control C. I will copy it in the friends.csx file. Control V, and we are going to not import conversation.css, but we are going to import friends.css, and the function name will be friends. The component name will be friends, and we are going to export the friends. Now this is the particular friends page. We are going to write a friends page in React. It's all for now. We have to save it, and in the friends we have to open the conversation. Conversation.css, Control C, and inside the friends CSS for now we can paste it. Control V, Control S, and in the index.js, in the app.js we could import like this. Control C. We are going to import. Now we are going to import friends from the pages / friends.jsx, and we are now going to implement the same thing that we have used here. Sorry, used here. Control C and Control V. So the name of the path would be friends, and I would do friends, and the component that we'll be using is also the friends that I wrote from the yes. That's the thing. Control S. Now we should have something changes. Friends. Yes, we have. This is a particularly a page in React. So we aren't we in friends? Yes, we are in friends, but we have made something changes like yes, in friends.jsx we have used here conversations is active, so we have to make it like the friends is active instead of conversation. Control S. Now we can see yes, the friends is active, and the conversations page. We have home page, conversations, friends, and there's all these 3 pages. Now we are going to do the same thing with all 3 pages. What I have the pages, community, profile, and projects. So now we are going to simply make community. Sorry for this mistake. Community.jsx. Control S. Simple is, and for the indexed for the CSS we are going to make community.css. Control S, and it will be good, I guess. Now we are going to save it. We are going to just copy Control Alt Control C from this to community.csx, because for now we are going to only need similar things, so I can just copy community and components. We are going to export this also the community sidebar, and here the community needs to be active. community needs to be active, control S. And for the community.css, we can just copy and paste from reference.css, control C, community.css, and control P, control S. And for the same thing we are going to do is in the app.js, we should import control C from the friends. Sorry for this mistake. Control V. We are going to not from friends.csx but from community.csx, and it's not friends, it's community. The same thing would be down here, control V, and the friends, it would be community, and the components name is something the community that we have imported, control S. Everything should be good. I can go to community. Yes, I can go to community, and it works fine. We have only 2 pages left, so we just do it fast. Control C, and it's control V. It's community friends profile. What is it first? It's profile, and profile projects. It would be like profile projects. See, even if you haven't imported it, you just do that. Control C, control V, and as in the friends.csx, we can import profile.csx, and community we can import projects.css, and the friends we can just do profile, and in the community we can just do projects. It's all fine. Now we have to make the pages file profile.csx, control S, profile.csx, other pages profile.css, and another thing, projects.csx, control S, control S, and another thing is projects.css, control S, control express, and we have the simple community.css, control C. We can just paste it in the projects.css, control E, and profile.css as well, control S. For now, profile.csx can be used as like friends.csx component, control C, and profile.csx, control V. It's something like profile.css, and it's also profile, and it also profile, and this is a particularly we can write profile page in React, and you could just say that in this page the profile will be active, control S. It's all fine, control A, control C. You just paste it in the projects.csx V, and it's like we have projects here, the projects.css, control S, it's a CDS projects, and it's also different projects, and this is a particularly you can write project space in React, and then here the project will be active. Control S. Sorry, project should be active. I think it must go find like profile. Yes, we are into profile page and project page. Yes, everything is working fine. Home page, it's a conversations, it's friend, so community, profile, and projects. Yes, we have made everything we needed. Like we made 6 pages, and what are we now going is that we are going to make some what do we call that, API requests. Now we are going to design something for this. What are we going to do? First of all, let's make this div a little bigger, and so we can just Wikipedia. We can go to Wikipedia. And we just copy the text to check if it's scrollable or not. So can Wikipedia. What would be like good? This would be like Control C. And now you can just go to the home page. Okay, I can just paste it. Control B, Control S. How is it? What in the project? No, it was too short. You just paste it. Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control yes. Now saved it. Yes, it's totally scrollable, and that's all we needed. So we can get to like Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Yes, Control. It's all good. Yes. So now